What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a front loader washer. Just found this little baby on the side of the road. Gonna take it apart today, see what's inside. I'm really looking for a lot of copper. I know these guys, they have the motors right on the back here. It's like a circle magnetic kind of thing. It's got a lot of wrapped around coils, I guess. It could be copper or it could be just aluminum. We'll find out, I guess, right? So, got my trusted DeWalt tools, wire snappers, and some pliers, and we're gonna get this done. So first off, just gonna take all the screws off the back. Hopefully we can find out right away what's in there. Let's get it done. Just take all the screws off, every one that I can see. Okay, this one doesn't want to come out. That's okay. This one still had a cord on it, so I got lucky there. Usually, the scrappers are just drive around and leave everything behind, just cut the cord. Yeah, that's okay. There's your shredded material. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, so this one's different. This one is a different one. So it doesn't have the motor here. It's got a regular motor on the bottom, which is gonna be probably a headache to get out. We'll see what we can do. Alright, more shredded material. That's actually heavy. It's pretty good. Get a screwdriver. So this is not a lot of screws that are hidden and all that good stuff. Sometimes you just gotta go in there and just rip everything out. First of all, use gloves, everybody. I don't like using gloves. I get cut up a lot. But for your safety, everybody else's safety, use gloves. Look at all the screws we got. So you can do two things: keep them, or throw them with the shredded material. I like to keep them personally. They do come in handy. Once in a blue moon, you're always looking for that weird screw, and guess what? You got it. More shredded material. Nice. Okay, so we got some wiring here that we can get out. The harness, nice harness, a lot of wire. It's always good. And not much else. You got the whole drum in here. Honestly, I thought this would be much better. The other front end loader washers that I usually take apart, they got that nice big motor right in the back here, but maybe it's an older model. We still didn't use those motors for this. Let's get this wire out of here. Cutters. There you go. You can sell this like that. You can strip it, get the copper out. I like to actually strip these and get the nice #1 copper out of there. Wires. I mean, you can unclip them. I'll show you what I mean. Clip them off, but what's the point? Want it done quickly, just cut the wires as close to the plug as you can so you get the most out of them. And there you go. Tie this down for like some kind of wire. That's weird. Never seen that before. So again, we can unplug all these or just cut them. I don't like to waste my time with these things because they're worthless, so I just cut these off. I mean, these wires, they're not all copper, obviously, right? This is probably not copper at all. It's probably aluminum, but you know, you save up a lot of this. You'll still take it. They'll pay you money for it. This harness. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to flip this sucker onto its. That guy out. Water. Stinky, stinky water. That's nasty shit. let's continue with this harness. Harness. Get all these plugs out. Now, here is the tips of these plugs. There's a good possibility that they are brass. Sometimes they're silver like this, or brownish. The way you can tell if it's brass or not, take a little magnet, it sticks to it like this one. It's just plain old metal, so garbage. But if it is brass, you can throw it into a little bucket, keep saving, and over time you're gonna have a full bucket. And then brass is, it's a good price for it as well, so everything adds up, right? But these days, the more modern technology is, the less copper they put into it. That's why these things, they don't last long, because they're not made like they used to be, with good old heavy metal, copper and all that good stuff. I don't know why this guy's going all the way down there. So, again, with this, I won't even bother stripping it, because most of it is probably not even, like, I'm looking right inside of it, it's silvery, so it's probably just aluminum or something like that. It's not even copper, but still valuable. You get enough of that, you get money for it. So what I was going for with this, like I said, was that motor in the front. Well, I should say in the back here. I wish I would save my old ones to show you guys, but I don't have it. It's a nice piece of there's nice copper on there sometimes. It's wrapped around nicely. This one still has an old-fashioned motors. So I'm going to have to somehow take this apart. Let's see. Let's see. That's for sure. Oh, we got a winner. But wrong wrench. Wrong size. It always helps when you have the right tools, that's for sure. Nice bolt. There we go. Voila. There you go. Nice heavy duty motor. So if you guys look inside, that's, I mean, it could be just plated or it could be copper. I don't know. No way to tell right now. It could be copper because it's not shiny in the middle, not silver, still brownish. So I think we got a winner when it comes to copper. So now the next trick is to take this all apart, which is fun in its own, I guess. I'm not gonna do that today because I just don't have time. Yeah, basically take it all apart, pull all the copper out, and then, you know, there you go. That should be like a number 1, number 2 maybe. And you got your cast iron or aluminum in there, whatever that is. And folks, there's not much to this anymore. That's really about it. You got your drum, you got the housing, all scrap welding material, and this is basically all just weight that they're gonna weigh it out and you get paid for it. Basically, that's how this game works. I'm really kind of disappointed that that motor was the old-fashioned kind of motors. I gotta say, I really was looking forward to showing you guys. All right. Still some more cable in there somewhere. Some more. All right, so let's put this thing back up. There's the bottom here. So what do we got? We got weight, like I said, shredded material. We got some wire, we got the cord, which there is copper in there, and we got our beauty of a motor, which one day I will take apart and get all that stuff out of there. It's not today. So back when I was talking about the brass, the tips of the cords, when I strip the wire, I put this just the head of the cord into a vise. Then I take my pliers and wiggle this out. Wiggle, and then And that, my friends, is brass. Where's my magnet? Magnet, meet brass. Doesn't stick. See? So you keep this, put it in your jar wherever you want. Let it build up. And the way prices of these metals are going up and up and up, eventually you can buy yourself a house. Just kidding. But yeah, I mean, enough of these things, you know, like they will eventually grow and grow. You can do whatever you want with it, right? If you have enough. Buy yourself a 6-pack, 12-pack, 24, whatever. Buy yourself a car. Buy yourself a lot of tickets. Yeah. So look, that's about it, guys. I mean, there was nothing to it. You know, old-fashioned washer dryers, a lot of metal, newer styles, a lot of plastic. You know, they make it look nice and dandy, but a lot of shit, unfortunately. And this is all you get. Not much. Is it worth it? I mean, if you like doing it, it's worth it, right? You're not gonna get rich off doing this, that's for sure. But it is a hobby, so that's the important part. Anyways, guys, hope you liked it. If I have some other stuff to scrap, make another video. Anyways, till next time, peace.